What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today I miss the ocean, so I want to paint something that kind of reminds me of the ocean, so that's why we're kind of working with these colors here. Phthalo blue, I know it's a really dark blue for the ocean, but the white's going to lighten it up. So we got phthalo blue, titanium white, we got a light green, and then a sap green. We don't have very much sap green, so I just want little bits of it, not much. All these are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, and there is 1 to 2 drops, depending on how much is in each cup of this coconut milk hair serum. And with that, we're just going to get started painting. Now, I always put the white on the bottom of my flips. I'm going to change it up. Put some dark green as the base down in the bottom of the cup. And then I do want some sharper lines. So I don't want to let it churn too much. So I'm just letting it run down the side of the cup. Oh yeah. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm having a wonderful day. I get to get on here and create with you guys, and I mean, it just brings me joy. All right, so I'm gonna lighten up this blue just a little. Some of the blue. And just get a little bit of detail going on in there. And then continue to build our layers so that we have some pretty interesting little formations going throughout. Let's see, what do we want? Let's lighten up the blue, or the green a little bit. There we go, we'll have a little bit of that green going in there, lighter. And then we'll put a little bit more blue. Then we'll let this light green mix with it. See, I'm limiting how much I'm letting it churn, because I do want to have some sharp defined lines, but I also want to have varying color gradients as the colors kind of mix together. All right, that was the last bit of the dark, or the sap green. And we have some extra. So I'm going to probably wind up using that as the base. Oh man, look at that there. All right, let's go. That's a pretty cut. And those are some really awesome colors right there. And of course I splattered all over me. Man, those are cool. Yeah, I love how it fades off into that blue like that. So here, I'm going to put down some of this remaining excess, so the paint has somewhere to flow to, so it doesn't just eat up all those pretty colors we got going on. And it's okay, I'm using multiple different colors because this is on the bottom, or it should be stretched to the point that it ends up off the canvas. Nice. All right. Yeah, I love that white around that blue like that. It's so nice. All right, here we go. Ooh, wow. My goodness, look at the cells coming out of that already. Very ocean vibes for sure. Now, I'm not gonna heat it up yet. I wanna spin it first before all the cells blow up. So I'm gonna spin it and stretch it out, then we're gonna work with it. Ooh, look at that big old cells. Okay. All right. I'm liking it so far. Yeah. We got some nice, sharp, defined colors going throughout, and now the cells are kind of blooming to the surface because the layers are even thinner. Now we can apply heat to it, and we should be able to get some stuff going on. Some nice passes with the heat gun. You can see it slowly opening up cells. It's really cool. Ooh, look at them all. Wow. Man, oh man, look at that thing. We're getting some really cool cells going on this one. Wow. What in the heck? That's beautiful. Got tons of multicolored little bullseye cells everywhere because of the layers. And then we have some nice color gradients, like the dark blue fading into the light blue, into the light green, and then some spots of dark green. It's beautiful. Man, all right, well, I want to bring you guys down and see this thing. I think we accomplished it. What do you think? To me, this is kind of ocean-like, maybe brackish water, like the water in Florida, the Tomoka State Park and whatnot, but I'm not sure. What do you think? But let's get down there and check it out. And the longer we wait, the more cells keep developing. I haven't even taken it off the spinner yet. Oh my goodness, this thing is beautiful. I love it. This thing came out so cool. I love it. It's like so many tiny details everywhere. Bunch of multicolored cells, some really cool lacing. The colors are really nice too. Hello, Piper. She's a good baby. Hi, baby. Good girl. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.